donje motene kod ohala ni Ruoth Migun manyocha ne omaki video moro ka joso miel e gwenge ma Kisumu kocha koro oyudo sir mar dhi kweyo kadho nam chumbi. Kambi mar View Travel omiyo jalup ruodhno mich makamano bang' nyiso chia kaka otayo chenro mage mag tich. Mich makamano miye kod jata tije mar View Travel Leni Ole Mateiwa.
It's an honor to be here, and I want to encourage the community that good deeds pay. Let's try and encourage each other to do good to one another. It's going to be a first opportunity for me to be on air to Mombasa, flying to Mombasa. I've never been into a plane, and this is an opportunity that, let me say, God has granted me. I'm so happy, and I wanted to tell my wife that, watch out, we're on the way to Mombasa.
As View Travel, we encourage the society to do things differently and do things that will bring cohesiveness in the society. So as Chief Migun is dancing and talking to the society and the people who are in that caliber of age, we are going to be rewarding anybody who does something differently.
My hands, your waist, my heart.